Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how to manage apps by making folders and joining them together in a mobile phone, Apple mobile phone. So this is a mobile phone. It just sometimes looks very messy, too many apps, you don't know which one is which, where to find them. So for example, if you come here and they want to make a folder somewhere to join all these icons under one folder. So to create a folder is unlike Windows. The easiest way to do this is just press a bit long, press on one icon on the app like that. When it starts wiggling, Google Photo would like to access your photo. I'll say okay. So when they start wiggling like this, moving, shaking, what you do, you just press again and drag it over another one. Press and drag it over another one. Here you go. A small folder is created with two apps inside. And press again, and that's it. We have a small folder with two icons. To add more apps there, press for a while. Once they start shaking, press again and drag it there. Here you go. We have a folder with three apps inside. Then same thing again. Drag it in and leave it there. Drag it in and leave it there. So drag it in and leave it there. Drag it in and leave it there. Then finally, let's say this one, for example. Then I have a folder now. I have a folder with apps inside them, as you can see. And just press here. Everything is done nice and tidy. To take any app from the folder is almost the same thing in a reverse way. Press and hold till they start shaking like that. Then drag outside. Then drag outside. Then I will empty it all. Press, drag outside. Press, how many left? Five apps left there. Drag G is outside. Drag this one. 3 more left. Drag it out. Then 2 more left. Drag it out. So we still have a folder with one icon. Drag it out. The folder is deleted automatically. So it's gone. The folder, when it's empty, it goes by itself. So this is how we create folders. You can, for example, create folders for apps which are related, for example, banks together, maps together, emails together, and so on. That's all for this video. Thank you very much. If you need any help, contact me. Thank you very much.